Diveotree sent this over to me to share with you guys. So thank you guys for sending the sample. I want to show you this unique toilet brush holder. And what's really cool about it is, I'm gonna set this down here, is that it is wall mountable. So they do provide you with these two. You're going to peel off the backing. That's like it's very sticky, but it's going to go onto the wall. And then they also provide you with these screws and wall anchors. I do love this really compact design. It's great if you are in, I'm thinking small spaces, even for like an RV. If you have a small apartment, this is a really nice compact design. So let's get into it and talk about what you're going to find inside the box. Back of the box is the directions that you will need. So you have the brush holder. They do provide you with these pieces for installation. Next, you have the brush head and the handle. And I do want to point out how nice this wood handle is. It feels really solid in your hand and it's just such a clean vibe. You are going to pop this down and your brush hand will go just like that to sit on your wall. If you, again, are looking for a toilet brush holder that is nice, compact, looks really good, I think this is a really good find and I think you're going to like it.